I'm going to do question B in this video. And so you're not worried about this graph at all or this stem at all. This only pertains to this graph and this expression here. It says estimate all x values for which h of x equals 0. The intention of if you made a sketch was to help you estimate so that you could sanity check your answers. That was completely optional. Okay, so what the problem is you need to know when f of x is 0 in order to figure out when h of x is 0. So f of x is equal to 0 roughly when here, 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 and here. So those values are approximately 2.2. These are not perfect. I won't make the same calculations twice, but they're in that ballpark, okay? Approximately in these locations. All right. So, but the problem is we know where these guys are 0, but I need 3x minus 1 to equal to 0. All right, so to make things easier, I was using set notation in class and that confused people, so I'm going to do this instead. I'm saying presume these guys are x's and these guys are t's. So 3x minus 1 is equal to t. Let that expression be t, which is, well, I'm sorry, the other way around. 3t minus 1 equals x. For the reason is I'm going to use x's here, and my new graph is going to be in terms of t. All right, so I know when x's are 0. When are the t's 0? So all I have to do is figure out solve for t, right? 3 times t minus 1 is x, so 3t is equal to x plus 1, and then t is x plus 1 over 3. All right, so for each one of these values, to get the t equivalent of that x, I need to add 1 and divide by 3. So I'm just going to push this aside. H of x equals 0 roughly when, okay, I'm going to add 1 and divide by 3. 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 Which is equal to something like 1.1, 2.3, 3.1, 3.5. These are rough estimates. Okay, and that's all I wanted you to do for that question.